what's up? Today we're going to be making some delicious latkes. They're also known as fried potato pancakes. Whatever you call them is totally fine. And I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. So let's get right into this YouTube video. Oh, didn't see you there. Well, I've already peeled 3 of my potatoes and I have 1 left. What I'm doing with my potatoes are they're in a large bowl with some ice water. So after they've been peeled, you can put them in the ice water so the skin or the outside of the potato does not brown. Okay, then we have some matzah meal, and I have 2 tablespoons of matzah meal. Then we have 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 onion, but we are going to cut this in half. So now I'm going to peel my potato, but here's a tip. You want to make sure to peel away from you to prevent skinning yourself, if that makes sense, or just getting more hurt. So see you back when I'm done peeling. This is me peeling my potatoes, and as you can see, I'm peeling away from my hand. Now that I'm done peeling my potatoes, I'm gonna grate them. So you can use a Cuisinart or a box grater. Whatever grates your potatoes in the way you would like them, do that. So I'll be back when I'm done grating them. Now that I've cut my onion, sorry, I'm crying, so I'm very juicy. Now that I've cut my onion in half, once I saw it, I noticed that it looked really big, so I'm deciding to do a quarter. It really depends on your onion and how much you're making. So I'm doing a quarter. Oh my god. I'm doing a quarter of my onion and I'm going to grate this, and then I'll be back. Okay, sorry, these are very emotional onions. So now I have all my potatoes shredded grated, and my onions, so I'm just gonna add them in. Just gonna mix up my onions and potatoes to make sure they're nice and mixed. Now I'm gonna get a cheesecloth and lay it out. I don't know if I have enough space. Gotta coordinate this. So now that we have our cheesecloth out, we're just going to dump in our latkes, or our latke mixture. And I'm just gonna do half because it's very big. So now I'm just gonna fold it all together, and over the sink I'm gonna drain out all of the liquid. This is really important because I can see the end so near. So now that we've dried our potatoes and onions, we just have to add the rest of the ingredients and fry them. So we have 3 of our 3 eggs in. Then I'm gonna add my salt. Finally, I'm gonna add my matzah meal. As you can see, this is our pan, and we have our little splash guard up because the oil is really hot, and being burned by hot oil isn't what you want to have. So, my oil is some vegetable oil. You can use peanut oil. It just depends on what you have in the house. So, I have a 4th cup with my, batter, kind of. I'm gonna scoop it up and place it down. You don't want to crowd the pan too much or they'll get soggy, and yeah, they just won't be crispy and super flavorful. A latke is a pancake, a golden pancake too. Inside it is snowy white and very good to eat. On Hanukkah, a latke is a treat. A latke is a pancake, a golden pancake too. Inside it is snowy white and very good to eat. On Hanukkah, a latke is a treat. Now I'm just gonna let them cook for a little while. As as you can see, this is one way to make a plate of latkes. Right here we have 2 latkes, sour cream, and some applesauce, and they are amazing and delicious together. So I really recommend this. You can see this is a full plate of latkes. They look so good because they are so good. And I'm really excited for you to try my recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And the most important thing,